I'm back for another Wednesday, or should I say WednesYAAAAY video. I know I skipped last week, I'm so sorry, but the prep work for this project has literally taken me so many days just to flippin' hole punch. Yeah, that's right. By the title of this video, you see we're hole punching magazines and gluing it to paper to make a big picture out of polka dots. And I'm really hoping it looks cool because I saw it on TikTok. I will put the link to her profile or her TikTok in the video because I don't know it by heart. But I saw it on TikTok and I was like, wow, that looks awesome. And my new hoodie came in. I love it. It says a bond between a girl, or no. A girl and her boxer, a bond that can never be broken. And I love it. Check it out. Yeah, I love it. And so here are these magazines. I don't ever read magazines, so thankfully my cousin got a hold of somebody and got some that I could just cut up and destroy. So thank you, my cousin Nene. And we're going to take a flipping hole punch to these mother truckers, which I already got done and took days, like I said. And I got the outline ready. We're doing a tiger, but a colorful rainbow tiger, as you can see in the background. Yay! And I did orange on my lights because tigers are orange and black, so I thought that'd be pretty cool. Pretty nice touching detail. So, let's get into it, shall we? Let's get creative with it! Thanks for watching!
Alrighty, voiceover booze coming live at ya. Getting some glue on that eyeball. Putting some polka dots down. Yeah! Some precious blue eyeballs for this little lovely tiger here. These dots took forever. I hated every second of cutting them. Ooh, look at that purple nose. Bunch of little dots. And some pink for the nose bridge in there. If you want a challenge and have a lot of time on your hands, I would say to try this challenge because it is very time consuming. My neck hurts so bad from staring down at this thing, and let me tell you, it was no joke. I wanted to do a detailed version, it didn't happen. And the black paper did work with the poppity pop that I wanted, but let me tell you, this took hours. Getting some black outline for the eyeballs and the mouth and the nose. What's your guys' favorite animal? Mine's a lion, but tigers are so cool too. That's what I always look for when I go to the zoo. Some yellow for them cheeks. Don't get your cheeks collapsed, son. See how time consuming? I wish it took me this fast. Boom, 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 boom. I'm feeling this music, guys. Even though I can't sing. That yellow pop on that black paper, so sweet. It was just a lot of painting on, some glue, and then dot, placing the dots. Pretty easy all in all, just very time consuming. Oh look, the little whisker dots. You'll be starting to see this little beautiful picture come to life soon if you don't already. Oh, and this chin is so cool. I did like a gradient from white to like teal. Or no, that's yellow, my bad. Whoops, getting ahead of myself there, like always. Yellow, white to yellow to teal, and then to blue. And it looked really cool. It was a cool little gradient effect. I didn't think it was going to turn out that cool, but it did. And honestly, I probably should have did this way bigger on a bigger piece of paper so it could have looked more realistic, but that would have taken me like months to complete. Placing those dots. Boom, boom, boom. Look at all that yeller. Ooh, orange like the sunrise. Dots for those whisker holes.
Dang, son. Where'd you get some cheeks like that?
Ooh, purple and pink ears coming at ya. Man, sitting here watching this go and a time lapse makes me wish it actually took this long. It took me way longer than this quick placing the dot. It took me a whole Saturday to do.
Crazy stuff.
Let alone the time for the paper holes. Check out them purple stripes. Ooh, some teal. That's one of my favorite colors. I love teal and pink. That's why they're my artist boozy colors. If you guys try this project, you should comment down below and show me. Wait, can you place pictures in the comments on YouTube? I'm not sure.
Shoot, I'm a noob.
That's not true. I've been watching YouTube since like 2012.
Because I'm ancient.
Ooh, signature time, baby. Thank you.
Okay, guys, to be honest, I am very happy that this video is over. It has taken so much time, so much work for so little of a picture. I wanted it to be so much more detailed, but this was so time consuming. I literally spent 3 days cutting magazine papers and barely got anything. And then I spent like, I don't even know how many hours, I don't even want to count, gluing this crap together. And it does look cool, but it was a lot of hours for a little bit of papers. And it don't look like much for how many flippin' circles are on it. So I'm going to kiss this thing goodbye, and finally kiss these goodbye. Hallelujah. Let's show you the final result, shall we? Bow chicka wow wow. I did a tiger. A colorful tiger. And I think it looks really cool. Like I said, I wish it could have been a lot more detailed, but oh my gosh, I have spent so much time on this project that I had to even skip last week. And I hated doing that. I've been on such a good schedule for like more than a year. And I had to cancel because this took so long. But I do love it. I hope you loved it, and if you did like today's video, please like and subscribe, and come back every Wednesday for some more artsy, fartsy fun. Thank you.